Hello! I wanted to invite you to my next seminar coming soon on the 25th of January. What's next for me 2020? It's kind of the follow-up of the short video that I sent you for over the holidays. I was telling you about what I think is best instead of working just on goals, to go deeper into our why. What is really connected to our life purpose, isn't it? What are you born to be accomplishing? What is your passion? And then of course we'll go still through the different steps to eliminate, to review what was 2019, success stories, what we achieved, but also our failures or unfinished business. And then we'll check the karma that is associated with all of those aspects. Do you have burdens that you haven't been able to resolve yet? Do you have limitation in your belief system, from your mind, your heart? Any sadness, forgiveness, all the emotions that would be great to deal with before we start the new year. I know it's a big program. It's very difficult to imagine that within 2 hours we can resolve all that, but we have to start somewhere, isn't it? Everything is step by step. Each step takes you to where you need to go. Click on the button from this page and let me know if you're interested, and let's get together and start the new year having fun and being productive. Thinking of you. Shoot me an email even if you cannot come over, or call me. I'm here for you, and also I would like to have your input on what you want me to talk about this year, so we can all improve and get the result that we deserve. Life is good, and the time is now.